Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing today? So today I'm going to compare the Pixel 5a next to two good phones actually with two different sizes just to show you how it actually looks like and how it actually compared to other phones. So on the left side we have the Huawei P40 and on the right side we have the Motorola 20 Pro. So it comes to the quality, build quality. The Pixel 5a is amazing, man, on the hand. It feels really good. I'm not feared about glass being cracked or anything because it has an aluminum in the back and it holds up real right. It has a flat screen, so no issues at all about the curvature and danger of cracking screens. All I have to do is just put the screen protector and you're good to go. On the left side, we have the Huawei P40 Pro. As you can see, it's smaller than the Pixel 5a, just a little bit smaller. Now, when it comes to the width, let's compare it here and see. I believe it is a little bit thinner, as you can see on the left side. It's very clear that the P40 is a smaller phone here, just by a small margin, not that big margin. When it comes to uh, the, the Motorola, on the other hand, is considered a big phone. So as you can see, it's a little bit taller here. And when it comes to the width, let's take a look because it's actually very good when it comes to the width. I mean, Motorola designers, engineers, they did a good job. So, yeah, as you can see, it's a little bit thicker. Oh, excuse me, it's a little bit wider than the Pixel 5a, as you can see. So that's actually show you that this phone sits between the P40 and the Motorola Edge 20 Pro, and that's actually a pretty good look on a phone that actually has a great battery. To be honest with you, this phone um, has a great perks to it. Number one, the color is dark green. It's really good. Number two, it's the power button here. It's a light green and it has a great feeling, tactile clickiness. So no issues at all, man. I love it. I really love it, man. The how Google actually able to produce such a great phone. And to be honest with you, I believe that this phone, I'm still standing on my assumption that this phone is better than the 6A. It has a lot of good things here. At least the way you hold it, it's the curvature on the edges here matter when you put it on your hand, like just like that. It's very important. I mean, if you just coming from an S21 Ultra to S22 Ultra, you'll feel this edges hitting your hands, and it's not gonna be feel comfortable. And I prefer the curvature on the sides for many reasons. How to hold it, easy to hold, to grab. Uh, Even when it falls, it's easy to crack on a phone that has like a V-shaped edge, rather than having a curvature. It's easy to slide on stuff like that. So I prefer to have an edge just like that. No, the camera is perfect. It's a Google camera, talking about software than hardware. And we've seen videos out there that the camera is it's not that different from the six, six when you shoot pictures, but the video does has a difference in the video mode, but in the picture mode, no, it's the same. I'm talking about software. Anyways, guys, this is just a quick comparison about the size of the phone next to other phones here, and I believe that the weight is amazing compared to other phones as well. So yeah, Pixel 5a, very nice device, guys. Let's take a look at the next video.